Did you know that by age 80, many people lose up to half the muscle mass they had in their younger years? This condition, called sarcopenia, affects millions of seniors worldwide, quietly robbing them of their freedom and vitality. Each year, over 300,000 older adults end up in the hospital after falls linked to weak muscles. But here's the exciting part. Muscle loss isn't inevitable. Research from leading experts shows that some seniors, often called superagers, maintain the strength, energy, and independence of people decades younger. They're out there hiking, playing sports, and living life to the fullest well into their 90s. So, what's their secret? Studies from places like the Mayo Clinic have uncovered specific habits that can slow, or even reverse, age-related muscle decline. Habits that most older adults don't know about. In fact, a surprising number of doctors still give outdated advice that misses the mark on what really keeps muscles strong as we age. Stick with us until the end, because the first habit we'll share is something you might be getting wrong every single day. It's a common mistake that can speed up muscle loss, and fixing it could be the key to thriving independently or needing extra help as you grow older. Before we dive in, let us know where you're watching from today. Just drop a comment below. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more tips like these from Thrive Forever. Let's jump right in. Habit 7. Embrace gentle challenges for stronger muscles. Seniors who stay remarkably strong into their 80s often do something that might surprise you. They intentionally put their bodies through small, controlled challenges. Scientists call these hormetic stressors, which are low-level stresses that actually make you stronger when done right. Think of it like giving your muscles a little nudge to wake them up and grow. Research from top aging institutes shows that brief encounters with these stressors can spark protective responses in your cells, helping maintain muscle health and even boosting growth no matter your age. One way superagers do this is by playing with temperature. A quick 30 to 60 seconds of cold water at the end of a shower or a short dip in cool water can activate brown fat, improve energy production in cells, and release a hormone that protects muscles from breaking down. On the flip side, spending time in a sauna or soaking in a warm bath triggers proteins that repair muscle damage and slow protein loss. A study from Finland found that people who used saunas 4 to 7 times a week lost 40% less muscle over 10 years compared to those who didn't. Another approach is time-restricted eating, where superagers limit their meals to an 8 to 10-hour window each day. This practice kickstarts a cellular cleanup process that clears out damaged parts and improves muscle quality. Research suggests it can enhance muscle energy production by up to 10% in just a few months, even without losing weight. Then there's a unique type of exercise called overcoming isometrics. Superagers often spend just 5 to 10 seconds pushing or pulling against something immovable, like a wall or heavy object. These short, intense efforts send powerful signals to muscles to stay strong without stressing joints. The key with all these stressors is keeping them brief and allowing plenty of recovery time. Done right, they activate genes that help muscles stay robust as you age. Start small with these practices and gradually build up, aiming for a level of challenge that feels invigorating, not overwhelming. Habit 6. Time your protein for maximum muscle growth. A lot of seniors focus on eating enough protein, but did you know when you eat, it might matter even more? As we age, our bodies don't use protein as efficiently, a challenge scientists call anabolic resistance. A study in a leading nutrition journal found that older adults benefit most from spreading protein intake across the day, rather than loading up at one meal, which is a habit many fall into. Here's why it matters. After you eat protein, your muscles get a 3 to 4 hour window to build and repair. If you save all your protein for dinner, you're missing out on those earlier opportunities. The best approach is aiming for 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein at each meal, spaced out evenly. For breakfast, swap out plain toast or cereal for eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein-packed smoothie. At lunch and dinner, keep it going with lean meats, fish, dairy, or plant-based options like beans or lentils for vegetarians. A 12-week study from a Texas university showed that seniors who followed this timing strategy gained an average of 1.2 pounds of muscle without changing anything else in their routine. The takeaway? It's not just about how much protein you eat. It's about giving your muscles consistent chances to grow throughout the day. This simple tweak can make your muscles thrive instead of fade. Habit 5. Boost your muscle vitamin. Here's a startling fact. Over 80% of seniors are low in a nutrient researchers call the muscle vitamin, vitamin D. This deficiency is silently sapping strength, and it's more common than you might think. Vitamin D does more than keep bones healthy. New findings from Harvard show it directly activates genes that drive muscle growth and repair. Your muscle cells have special receptors that rely on vitamin D to kickstart pathways for building and maintaining muscle. A major study found that seniors with healthy vitamin D levels had 25% stronger muscles than those who were deficient. They also had better balance, coordination, and quicker reactions, all of which help prevent falls. Superagers who stay vibrant into their 80s often have vitamin D levels above 40 nanograms per milliliter, while the average senior hovers below 20, which is considered deficient. So, how do you get enough? Sunlight is great, but as we age, our skin makes 50% less vitamin D from it. The standard advice of 600 IU a day often isn't enough. Studies suggest most seniors need 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily, though it's best to check with a blood test to find your sweet spot. Pair supplements with vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, or fortified dairy, and aim for 15 to 20 minutes of midday sun when you can. One important note: vitamin D works best with vitamin K2, found in fermented foods or certain animal products, to guide calcium to bones instead of arteries. Without K2, high vitamin D doses might affect blood vessels, so balance is key. Ask your doctor for a vitamin D test and aim for levels above 40 nanograms per milliliter. This one change could be a powerhouse for keeping your muscles strong and ready. Habit 4. Keep inflammation in check. What do superagers with incredible muscle strength have in common? They all keep inflammation levels remarkably low. Scientists now know that chronic low-grade inflammation, sometimes called inflammaging, is a major driver of muscle loss in older adults. This sneaky process breaks down muscle protein faster than your body can rebuild it and blocks signals needed for muscle growth after exercise or eating protein. A study from a Boston university found that seniors with high inflammation markers lost muscle 3 times faster than those with lower levels, no matter how much they exercised or ate. Superagers tackle inflammation with smart daily habits that many overlook. First, they prioritize deep, restful sleep, 7 to 8 hours in a dark, quiet space. Poor sleep can spike inflammation-causing compounds by up to 40%, speeding up muscle breakdown. Next, they focus on gut health, since aging can disrupt gut bacteria and fuel body-wide inflammation. Superagers eat a wide variety of plant foods, aiming for over 30 different kinds each week, and include fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut for natural probiotics. When it comes to exercise, they're strategic. While staying active is crucial, too much high-intensity work can actually increase inflammation in older adults. Superagers move moderately most days, mixing in short bursts of higher effort once or twice a week. They also load up on anti-inflammatory foods, like omega-3 fatty acids from fish or supplements at 2 to 3 grams daily, curcumin from turmeric, and polyphenol-packed options like berries, green tea, or olive oil. Research shows this combo can cut inflammation markers by nearly 30% in just a few months. To know where you stand, ask for a blood test to check high-sensitivity C-reactive protein. Superagers typically have levels below 1 milligram per liter, while the average senior's levels are often 3 to 5 times higher. Small changes here can make a big difference for your muscles. Habit 3. Power up with key nutrients. While most nutrition advice focuses on big players like protein or carbs, Superagers pay close attention to specific micronutrients that supercharge muscle function and growth. Without these, you could eat plenty of protein and exercise regularly, but still lose muscle. Magnesium is a standout, often called the forgotten electrolyte. Over 70% of seniors are low in this mineral, which is involved in hundreds of reactions tied to muscle health. A 2021 study showed that older adults with healthy magnesium levels had 30% stronger grip strength and better overall performance than those with even mild shortages. Superagers eat magnesium-rich foods daily, like dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and a bit of dark chocolate, and often add bioavailable supplements like magnesium glycinate for an extra boost. Creatine isn't just for young athletes. Research shows seniors taking 3 to 5 grams daily see gains in muscle mass, strength, and even brain function, beyond what exercise alone can do. It ramps up energy production in muscles and helps them hold more water, creating a growth-friendly environment. Methylated B12 is another key player. As we age, absorbing B12 gets harder, especially with medications like metformin or acid reflux drugs that deplete it. Low B12 hurts muscle energy and nerve function. Superagers opt for methylcobalamin, the active form, over cheaper versions in typical multivitamins. Trace minerals like zinc, selenium, and chromium also matter, supporting protein synthesis and nutrient delivery to muscles. A 5-year study found seniors with good levels of these minerals kept 22% more muscle mass than those who were low. Instead of generic multivitamins, superagers often get tested to pinpoint what they need and supplement smarter. These nutrients make sure your body gets the most out of protein and exercise, turning good habits into great results. Habit 2. Strengthen the nerve-muscle connection. Here's something many seniors don't think about. Muscle loss isn't just about the muscles themselves. It often starts with the connection between your nerves and muscles, called neuromuscular junctions. These act like power lines, sending signals to make muscles move. After age 60, these connections can weaken, making it harder for your brain to activate muscles, no matter how much protein you eat or how often you work out. Superagers with standout strength have healthier neuromuscular junctions than most. Research shows they use specific strategies to keep these connections sharp. One way is through activities that demand precision and coordination, like Tai Chi, dancing, tennis, or even table tennis. These aren't just fun, they strengthen nerve-to-muscle signals better than basic walking or lifting weights. A 2020 study found seniors doing coordination-focused activities twice a week preserved 31% more of these connections compared to those sticking to standard workouts. Superagers also use breathing techniques to stimulate the vagus nerve, which supports nerve muscle communication. A simple method like box breathing, inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4, exhaling for 4, and holding again for 4, done for 5 minutes daily, can improve muscle activation by up to 15%. Interestingly, keeping your brain active helps too. Studies show seniors who tackle complex mental tasks, like puzzles or learning new skills, have better muscle function because of shared neural pathways. By focusing on these strategies, superagers keep their muscles and nerves working together seamlessly, even into their 80s and beyond. Habit 1. Managing the blood sugar. The number one habit superagers swear by is managing blood sugar spikes, something most seniors mishandle daily. Unstable blood sugar triggers pathways that break down muscle faster than it can rebuild. After meals, high glucose spikes can increase inflammation and stress hormones, which eat away at muscle tissue. Superagers keep blood sugar steady by eating balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbs, avoiding sugary snacks or heavy starches. They also stay active after eating. A short 10-minute walk can cut glucose spikes by up to 20%, studies show. This simple habit protects muscles and boosts energy, helping you stay independent for years to come. There you have it. 7 powerful habits to keep your muscles strong and your independence intact as you age. If this sparked some ideas, please hit that like button. It helps us share more insights like these. Tell us your thoughts or questions in the comments and let us know what you'd love to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell to stay in the loop with Thrive Forever. Here's to staying strong and vibrant. See you in the next video.